Hello, welcome to Bikini Design Club. Today I wanted to show you a little bit more about bikini bottom pattern Sun. This is a new bikini pattern we have just launched, and I actually included some options for you on the pattern. As you can see here in this option, I sewed a main piece over here and then I sewed two side straps. It has a center back seam and the hip is, I think it's high. I know many of you use it even higher, but for me this is already high hip. I did it with a cover stitch here because this is a non-reversible pattern, but if you want, this pattern also comes with other options. So what I wanted to tell you is that I made this pattern with one piece here and then the sides, so that you can use different fabrics like I've done here, or you can do this all at once using the same fabric, but you still have a third option. And the third option is, instead of the sides being like so, you make them longer and you tie bows on the sides. So you will have the high hip with bows on each side. So you choose, you have three options on this bikini bottom. I hope you like it. Bye!